So this video is about expanding and simplifying single brackets. If you remember expanding these brackets, this will be easy for you. If you don't remember, you can go in the description and you will find the links to other videos which are related. Okay, so the value outside the bracket will multiply with the values inside the bracket one by one. So first the value multiply with the first value inside the bracket, then the second value inside the bracket. So 3 times 2x will be 6x, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 is positive, 5 is positive, so it will be positive 15, 3 is positive, 2 is positive, so it's a positive 6x. So this is how we expand single brackets. Same thing we'll do here, root 2 times 2. So with root 2 there is no other number, it means it's just a 1, and you're multiplying 1 with 2, so it will give you 2. There is no other root with 2 inside, so it will be just 2 root 2. This is positive, so it will be positive 2 root 2. Then you will multiply 2 root 2 with 3 root 2. So this 1 multiply with this 3 will give you a 3. Root 2 multiply root 2, it will multiply inside the root, 2 times 2. You remember the rule, root a times root b gives you root a times b, or ab. So, and they both are positive, so it will be a positive 3 root 2 times 2. Now if you remember, a group of 2 will cancel the root and it will come outside the root. So 2 root 2 plus 3, and the 2 came out of the root, times 2. Now there is no more root left because there is no other number left inside the root. So 2 root 2 plus 6, and that's the answer. You can't add them because they're unlike terms. 2 has a root 2, this 6 has nothing, you can't add them. That's your answers, 2 root 2 plus 6. Let's do other one. So root 3 times 6, there is 1 before it. If there is nothing, it's just a 1, so 1 times 6 will give you 6. And root 3, there is no root with 6, so it's just 6 root 3. Then root 3 times 3 root 3, 1 times 3 will be 3. Root 3 times root 3 will be something like this. Yeah. And positive multiply negative will give you a negative 1. So let's continue. 6 root 3 will stay here. 3 and 3, there is a group of 3 inside the root sign, so it will cancel itself. It will come outside of the root sign. So 1 3 will come out of this group of 3. So 3 times 3, and there is no more root. So this one is actually 6 root 3 minus 9, and that's our answer. Let's do other one. Now 4 multiply 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. Root 2 times root 2 will be like this. A group of 2 inside the root. You know what's going to happen. If there is a group of 2, it will come out. Anyways, we'll do it in the next step. 4 root 2 times 3. So 4 times 3 will give us 12. Root 2 has nothing to multiply, so it will stay root 2. And both are positive, so it will be positive. You see a group of 2, so a 2 will come out. So it will be 8 times 2 plus 12 root 2. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 12 root 2. And you can't add them, they're unlike terms. It will stay. This is our answer. It will stay this way. The last question, you can see root 5 times 6 root 5. So it will look something like this. 6, 5 times 5 inside the root, plus root 5 times 3. So it will be just 3 root 5. So 5 and 5 is a group of 5s and under the root, so 5 will come out of it. This is cancelled. So it's 6 times 5 plus 3 root 5. 6 times 5 will become 30 plus 3 root 5, and that's our answer. I hope you're understanding it. If you want any other type of questions or any type of help, you can write in the comment. Have a nice day.